we're going to wake your Jeep up.
I'm not.
We're still taking your Jeep. Now what are you looking for? She's looking for something. What do you need a jacket for? You got a jacket on.
Yeah.
I'm confused. You need two jackets, one for the style and one for the warmth?
Your jacket.
What about my jacket? I'm being picked at now. Look at this.
Okay. Go to the...
Oh, yes. We're going to go turn on the Jeep. We got to go and rub it in the right ways. I already hooked up the battery cable. We're not going to do everything right. We're not going to check any of the oils or any of the water or anything else. We're just going to start it up. Hopefully it'll turn over because it's been a while. We got power. We don't have power.
Uh-oh.
Uno momento, por favor. I really gotta replace that starter. Maybe I didn't have the switch the right way. It ain't run all winter, so everything's a little bit icky and it gets mold. Welcome to BC, where it never dries out completely. Oh, wait. Hold on, jeez. Wait. This climbing in, she's got a straddle, climb, hang on, lift, support. She's got a pillow. Her butt is gonna get a little bit wet. Okay, we're gonna go. Yeah, we're not that close to that place. She's not been awake in a while, so. I wonder if it'll lay rubber still. No, she got gas. Oh yeah, she just gonna lay some rubber. The Jeep, because the Super Snoozy won't fit underground, but the Jeep is a little bit shorter. I don't know how much shorter. Where'd she go?